In this video I will show you how to replace the side view mirror on 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner SUVs. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the front door on the side of the mirror to be replaced and remove the triangular trim piece located in the upper corner using a trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool around the edge and pry it outward to release it. 3. Remove the plastic retainer shown on the screen by pressing inward on the center of it to release it. Once free, insert the tip of a small pry bar or flathead screwdriver around the edge and pry it outward to remove it completely. 4. Remove the cover located behind the door handle using a hook or small flathead screwdriver. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge and pry it outward to remove it completely. 5. Once the cover has been removed, proceed to remove the screw securing the panel using a Phillips screwdriver. 6. Remove the armrest pad with the trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge and pry it upward to release it. 7. Once the armrest pad has been removed, proceed to remove the screw securing the door panel using a Phillips screwdriver. 8. Remove the door panel using the trim removal tool. Insert the tip of the tool along the entire edge and pry it outward to release it. 9. Once the door panel has been released, hold the panel with both hands and pull it upward to detach it completely. Once free, carefully lower it and set it on the floor without disconnecting the door release cable or the electrical wires. 10. Remove the electrical cable retainer from the damaged mirror using a small pry bar or flathead screwdriver. Insert the tip of the tool along the edge or base where it sits and pry it outward to release it. Alternatively, cut the electrical tape where it joins the retainer using a utility knife, being careful not to damage the retainer. 11. Disconnect the electrical cable from the damaged mirror by pressing inward on the retainer's locking mechanism and simultaneously pulling outward to release it completely. 12. Loosen the 3 nuts that hold the mirror in place without removing them completely using a ratchet and a 10mm socket. 13. Hold the damaged mirror with one hand to prevent the mirror from accidentally falling and damaging the door paint. Remove the mirror retaining nuts with the other hand. Once the nuts have been removed, proceed to remove the damaged mirror by simply pulling it straight out with your hands. 14. Install the new mirror in its original position ensuring the electrical cable passes through the corresponding cavity. Install the retaining nuts and then tighten them firmly according to the correct specifications. Connect the electrical cable ensuring it is properly seated and install the cable retainer in its original position. If the new mirror doesn't have one, transfer the retainer from the damaged mirror to the new one and secure it with electrical tape. 15. Install the door panel in its original position from top to bottom ensuring it sits correctly. Press inward on the edge of the panel ensuring the retainers are properly seated in their original position. Install the 2 screws that hold the panel in place and tighten them firmly. Similarly, install the retaining clip in its original position. 16. Install the upper triangular trim piece pressing inward with your hand to ensure it sits correctly. Do the same with the cover behind the door handle and the armrest pad ensuring they are properly seated in their original position. That's how simple it is to replace the side view mirror on 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner Sport utility vehicles.